Hey, Matt Zavidal here. Just wanted to introduce myself real quickly, say thank you for requesting the free gift that you did off of my blog. It's on its way right now to your email inbox, so be looking for that. It'll say from Matt Zavidal. And while you're waiting for that to hit your inbox, I just wanted to create this quick video for you and just get into teaching mode right away. And one of the things I know that you want to do is get some firm results from anything I can teach you. And there's really four areas that you probably want help in. You want more leads for your network marketing business. You want to start generating product sales consistently so you really do have revenue coming in. You want to build a team. And by building a team, you want to help them make more product sales so you and everybody on your team makes more income, right? And what something out there that's happening right now on the internet is a lot of talk about this phrase called attraction marketing. Okay. And I wanted to speak to this because there's a lot of people out there using the term attraction marketing. But when I ask them, hey, how are you helping your teams use attraction marketing? What's interesting is a lot of people are using tactics that really are not attraction marketing at all. So let's get a real good firm definition together on what attraction really means. And then we can talk about how you can use attraction marketing on your team and how to make sure you avoid the pitfalls of moving into areas that really are not attraction marketing. So the definition of attraction marketing really is that you advertise unique or different solutions to your target market's specific problems and allow your best prospects to demonstrate interest in what you have to offer and give you the opportunity to earn their trust and dollars. So the idea is you're attracting people to you. You're not going out there and yelling at people and trying to get them to do things they don't want to do. So what you're doing is you're allowing your best prospects to demonstrate interest first. And I'll talk about how you do that in a moment. You're going to help influence those folks to give you the opportunity to earn their trust, and then they will enroll with you. And all enroll is dollars, meaning people are now deciding to buy from you, or they're deciding to buy from you and join your business without you having to feel like you're twisting their arm, right? And feeling really salesy in the process. And I wrote down here, there's no deception using attraction marketing. And a lot of the normal network marketing methods you're being taught, there's a lot of deception there. Attraction marketing is doing it in a way where you have authenticity and integrity, and you're building your business in an honorable way. You're not chasing friends and family. You're focusing on your prospects' needs, not yours, by really providing value to those folks. That is what true attraction marketing is. So going a little bit further, let's treat one another as adults. Here's what I mean by that. When I was new to network marketing many, many years ago, I really felt like I was being spoken to as a child. And I'll get to why I felt like that in just a second. Again, attraction marketing, it's learning real skills that translate to business building skills. All that old style network marketing stuff is really sales techniques. Okay. Anything that's being taught to you where you have to learn how to overcome objections and how to know the exact scripts to say and things like that, that's sales. That's not attraction marketing. It's not building your business as a marketer. Now, there's nothing wrong with sales, and I want to be very clear about that. Sales done correctly is just fine. But the problem is most uplines, most corporate network marketing companies and their training is teaching people sales without telling them that what they're teaching them is sales. And that's what I mean by let's speak to one another as adults, not like we're children. Because when people say to you, when your upline says to you, hey, it's not selling, it's just sharing, that is an outright lie. And I had to learn that the hard way over the years, unfortunately, because I felt like I was being talked down to when I would go and try to put my business and my products in front of family and friends who just weren't interested. And all I was getting was rejected. And I'd go back to my upline, back when I was new many years ago and say, this isn't working. What do I do? Just go share it with more people. But I'm like, but they're not reacting well. They're all saying no to me. It's not working. But don't worry about it. You're not selling anything. You're just sharing something with people. And it's great for everybody. So again, there's nothing wrong with sales. But the way most network marketers are taught to do things is a burn and churn model on social media which really isn't attraction marketing. Okay, attraction marketing is not getting onto your Facebook account or any other social media account and sending tons and tons of messages to people, private messages, and hoping they respond, and then using some sort of deception to get them on calls, right? Where you're taught, don't really tell them what you're going to talk about on the call, or try to get them on a three-way call with your upline. Don't really tell them what it's about. Just get them on the call, tell them there's something exciting going on. Then they get on the call and they feel really sold to. It's a burn and churn model. And a lot of people, when they get on that call and they learn what it's really all about, it's really not about them. It's about you and your upline trying to make a sale. They feel disappointment. They even feel anger. And now you've just burned that relationship. That's why I call it burn and churn. It's not building an asset, which is what attraction marketing and being a true marketer is all about. So let's get into that. Because the funny thing is, in my mind, it's called network marketing. But network marketers are not taught marketing. They're taught burn and churn sales. And if that's what got you here, you were doing some investigating on the internet, you found one of my blog posts, you opted in to get the free gift that's on its way, okay? You probably were doing that research because you're tired of building your business this way that feels inauthentic, that doesn't feel good, right? So what a marketer does is they first identify your target market, meaning who is my best fit client? What are their needs? It's not the burn and churn model. You're building relationships with your audience. You're putting your prospects' needs first by providing value. That's the attract part of attraction marketing. You're teaching something to them that's building trust with them. It's creating that influence, which then makes product sales and builds people on your team, because those people who you're teaching and building trust with, they decide to follow you on their own. They want to follow you because you're providing them value. That's the difference, okay? So again, traditional network marketers, they have no target market. What we will do with attraction marketing here is teach you how to understand from a deep level the wants and needs of your target audience. So you'll no longer be shouting into the void. I hear that all the time. People say to me, Matt, I'm not getting any traction. I'm on social media. I'm putting out all the messages. It feels like I'm just shouting out there. I'm posting videos and all this stuff on social media. Nobody's listening. I'm shouting into the void. I get it. I've been there. It's not the way to do it. People will listen to you, see you as a valuable resource, and will willingly buy from you and join you if you actually provide them value. Okay? So that's on an overall basis what you're going to get from me in the coming days. Now that you're on my list, and I'm going to be sending you some more trainings like this. Okay? But what I really want to do at the end of this video is this video is sitting on a page where I'm providing an offer to you that if you don't want to do the YouTube way, I call it the YouTube method of learning, where you try to go and find all the different free things people are giving you, which I'm going to do in the coming days, give you lots of free training. But if you're tired of that and you just want to find the one system that will help you get where you want to go, you're on a page right now where I'm giving you a time-limited offer to join us in my organization, not my network marketing organization, but a training organization. It has nothing to do with my network marketing business or anything like that. It's training on how to use attraction marketing to do what I just explained to you. And what I just wanted to focus on real quickly is farther down this page, you're going to get kind of a bullet point list of everything you're getting, okay, on this offer. And I just want to speak to one of them really seriously because it's all about helping you more on a personal level. I have found over the years that more and more people, and you may be like this, you may not. It's okay. If you're not like this, you can just, leave this page and get the free stuff I'm going to be sending to you through email over the next few days. But if you're someone who's like this, I just wanted to make sure you really understand what you're seeing here on this page. And I don't want this offer to expire without you really, from a deep level, understanding what you could get here, okay? What I have found over the years is that more and more people want more personal attention. Yes, it's great to get PDFs and videos and things like that where you piece together, okay, this is how I can build my business in a more authentic way. But when you don't get someone you can actually get on the phone with or a Zoom call with as a coach or a consultant to really help you put the pieces together, that's where a lot of times people fail nowadays, is they get all the information in, but when they have a question, there's nobody to turn to. So what I wanted to make sure you understand before you leave this page is what you get with this offer that I'm presenting to you. Yes, you're going to get everything that you're seeing here. There's lots of different bonuses, different ways to use, Facebook Messenger, for example, in a more attraction marketing way. a case study of how somebody else went out there and took this information that you're going to learn and rank advanced 4 times relatively quickly. What I really want to focus in on, though, is number one, when you get what we call the attraction marketing formula, which is what you'll see down below, it's this system. It's how to set up a digital marketing system on the internet so that you can do attraction marketing properly. But what you're really going to get, what I really want to talk to is this right here, what we call the supercharged business growth system for the busy networker. It's you being able to get a free customized assessment call with an MLM specialist that we've screened to make sure they know what they're talking about, okay? And on that call, what you have the opportunity to do, and by the way, it's a free call. You're not being sold anything. Leave your wallet at home. It's an absolutely free call that you get after purchasing the attraction marketing formula. It's one of the bonuses that I'm including here, where that specialist is going to hop on a Zoom call with you and really do a couple of things. They're going to assess where you are in your business right now, really listen to you and figure out, where your frustrations are. They're going to uncover what's driving you to grow your business. Again, understand you. Discuss all the pains and fears you're going through right now and why the business is not building as quickly as you want it to. They're going to discover what your level of desire is, really to accelerate your business growth. And then finally, they're just going to recommend next best steps based on how your conversation went, give you some customized pieces to go, especially inside the attraction marketing formula that you're going to have in your hands at that point. Like they're going to say, go to this page and use this. Here's a couple of videos that can help you accelerate your learning based on what you just told me on our call here. And I just wanted to really help you understand that this is part of what you're going to get if you take advantage of the offer down below. Okay. Now you don't have to take advantage of the offer. And if you don't want to, that's fine. Okay. But if you do, I just wanted to make sure I really talked you through, because I know sometimes stuff on the written page gets lost, and hearing it from someone's mouth like this on a video can be more effective. Okay. But that's what you're going to get. And then finally, whether you join us today or you decide to do it later or you never do, it's okay. Okay. Take the free stuff I'm going to give you in the coming days and use it. I want to give you a main takeaway here from this video. Successful network marketers today do so by becoming digital networkers. And I want you to consider a new mindset of, I will build my digital selling and recruiting system that works not because it's magic, not because it's push button, but because I focus on the needs of my target audience first. And because of that, I will rise above the noise of the shouters, and my target audience will decide to follow me authentically. If you can just put that into your mind right now and then merge that with everything you're going to get going forward, it'll really help you build your business in a different way that doesn't feel like you're twisting anybody's arm or trying to sell them or overcome objections, but you teach them a few things first and they'll be attracted to you and they'll actually buy from you willingly. Such an easier way to build your business. It feels more authentic. And I think in today's world, it's really what a lot of people are looking for. I know it was what I was looking for a few years ago, and I found what attraction marketing really was, and I started to apply it, and I built a international business. People were, joining me from, I'm in the United States, people joining me from all over the United States, people joining me from, Australia and England and Estonia of all places, and all these different areas, South Africa, because I learned how to provide the value first, and I want to make sure you learn it so you can build your business in an authentic manner. So decide what you want to do on this offer that you see on this page. If you jump in now, great. I'd be glad to have you, and make sure you get all the bonuses and make sure we start training you and you get that assessment call. If right now is not the right time to do that, that's okay too. Just take the free stuff I'm going to give you in the coming days and start to think about your business in this way.